Hello everybody and welcome to my weekly Forex review. So, yeah, outside is evening, but I'm still doing for you this video because I know that you wanted to know what's happening on the market. And we got many information about macro data on the previous week. Let's see how it will react on the market and how to earn on that. Let's go. So guys, and for the first, I wanted to let you know that on the last week we got many macro data and the NFP is come higher than we expect. Yeah, also the ICM manufacturing is still keeping in and holding in a bullish trend. Yeah, what is important? Yeah, the inflation expectation is still high. Yeah, and we should understand it's all making pressure on the market. We will see now in the charts how it will react and what we will see there. And the main thing that the Federal Reserve is still keeping a strict rhetoric about all the market. Yeah, they are not planning to decrease the rate in the soonest time. What is important and for sure, what is will do some pressure on all the markets and like support to new correction in the soonest time. And what we can see, for example, on a gold, for now, yes, that we see the correction on all previous week. We saw the correction because of all this micro data on the previous week and the strong USD. Yeah, also that's why we see all that correction. And here we have two ways what can happen. Yeah, because we have still targets here, and basically it's going to this target. Yeah, and we also have a compression here of a liquidity. And for sure, if we will see now any break of structure in a long, yeah, and we will break this level, yeah, it can still do the reverse and go higher, yeah, to grab all this liquidity. But in my opinion, if everything will continue going like now, we will see update of this level and continue going here to this liquidity level and this liquidity level. You should be ready for that because now the situation when everything exactly in air. So it can go in any of these zones, and also it has a liquidity zones here. So I'll keep you updated in my Telegram channel about all my trades, about everything. Yeah, and anyway, we did so many nice trades on the gold on previous week. You can see now this on the screen. And intraday, we're doing money always. By the way, if you want to join us, the link under that video for my free Telegram channel, there is all information. Click this link and you will join us immediately. So, but basically now, yeah, it depends on the situation. And I'm hope that it will continue go up because we got a good correction on the previous week, but now it looks quite weak. So all other updates will be in my Telegram channel. But also about the gold, we should understand that, yeah, now locally it's in a bearish trend, but in the midterm, I guess we can see the long still if Federal Reserve will tell something about the decreasing general rate. Yeah, if they will decrease the rate, in that case we can see the long already in the soonest time on the gold. So keep it in mind and check all updates in my Telegram channel. So okay guys, let's see on the silver what happening here. It's dropped, by the way, even more than the gold on the previous week. Yeah, and because it's more volatility on the market now, and because all the traders are fixing the risk much more exactly on the silver. And what we can see now here is that, yeah, we have there here we have a channel which are going up, yeah, then we break this channel now and continue going down in a bear trend. But here we make a break of structure, and if we will now one more time update this high, so it can continue go up to our entry point in a short. And if you're looking for the entry point for a short position now on the gold, I guess is 74,940, 74,940 at this point. Oh shit, this point locally could be a nice entry point for you in the short position. So just be ready for that. If it will return in that levels, you can take in a short position, yeah, with the main target here on this low. So also we have where to put a stop loss here. Yeah, it's like 1 to 2 trade, but anyway that will be more logical now because here is imbalance and still we have more liquidity here and still USD pressure or the inflation rate pressure. So in that case, I'm waiting for continued correction here, and already after that I will catch it somewhere here in this target. I will wait it for here, and I will catch the silver somewhere here. So this is my game plan for now, and as usual, more detailed about all my trades in my Telegram channel. So guys, let's watch on the Euro USD. So, and basically, yeah, it looks quite weak now, but it's a good news that I gave you a trade on a previous Forex review. You can see it now. I'm waiting if we will break here, there. Maybe I will continue to take some longs. And this trade we took exactly, perfectly. You can see now, exactly we got this level and take this trade. So everybody had this possibility just to watch my free YouTube channel. And if you still didn't enter this trade, you have levels where you can enter it. If the price will return to these levels, so 1.17278, 1.17534, 1.17767, from where you can continue take short and open the short trade. Yeah, but best entry point, it's here. You can see it's here, and I did this trade and I opened this trade exactly and put this position on the previous YouTube video. You can watch it on my channel, and we exactly enter in this trade. So, and main target now, it's here, yeah, 1.14, and I guess it's going there. So everybody who took this trade, congratulations. Who didn't take this trade, you can still do this on these levels. And here's everything easy because the USD is strong. The euro will go down now. So guys, and also let's see what's happening on S&P 500, because it's going higher and higher still, and I'm not recommending you right now to enter the short, because we need to see any like advices from the market, yeah, and any marks and notes about the short, yeah. So we need to see the break of structure, because now it still looks strong, yeah, and for sure it's hard to grow, continue to grow, you know, for the S&P 500 because of the rates from Federal Reserve, for sure, and because of inflation. But we can start the short only if we will see some break of structure, and then on a correction here we can enter, and it will continue going down. So something like that. And if we will see the break of structure, we can enter, because for now it looks quite strong. Yeah, this is the main thing. If your assets are blocked on crypto exchanges, any public crypto exchanges, Binance, Bybit, OKX, FTX, or BingX, I can help you. And all what you need to do is just write to my personal account why your assets were blocked, what you already did, and when it happened. And I will help you to return all your deposit and assets. So don't be sad, just text me if you made this issue. And guys, please pay attention. This market now is very sensitive to CPI and for all comments from Federal Reserve. And for sure, if I will see any like chance to take a short now on the S&P 500 or any other assets, I'll let you know in my Telegram channel. So I recommend you to subscribe, to stay in touch, and to make profit together on the market. And us there already more than 10K. And thank you for all who subscribe my channel. And you can be next. I'm waiting you, man. And also, guys, let's watch what's happening on the pound. On the pound, yeah, it looks like it going to 1.33728. Yeah, it looks like it going here to this level. Yeah, we grab that liquidity level for sure, which I mentioned here. And basically I'm waiting it's still here in this side of range, yeah, to sell side of range, but it can go lower directly from here, because there's a huge imbalance, and that's why this target will move a little bit here, and I recommend you to see more detailed on this level. Yeah, and here basically if the pound will reach this level, I can recommend you some position like that, and I would take the position like that from this level, so with clear stop loss and clear take profit, because there is imbalance. Yeah, even it can go lower here. It's here a nice risk reward. So pay attention. If we will see this level, I'd like to open the short position from here. And guys, let's see what's happening on a Bitcoin, because now it's quite interesting, this situation. Yeah, Last time it's made one more move higher, and we touch 80k, and I already opened the short from here, but on small size. I'll be at this position in short when I got these levels, 80 to 85k, with stop losses to 85, 86 k, but I'm ready to add more if it will go higher, because I know that in May will be lots of positive. I'll let you know soon why, and then it will drop down. So, but we already touched this level. Nobody believes that we will touch this level, and we're already here. Yeah, on the daily time frame, you can see how fast we grow. And when I told that we will do all this movement on that point, I told that we will go here. So guys told me, no, we will not go here. It's now again, we'll go down, something like that. But no, we are already on 80k. I'm already in short position. I'm waiting higher still. Yeah, and then for sure, then it will go down. It will go down exactly by our analysis. We will see how it will happen one more time, and if you wanna, you can join my trade. Also guys, if we will open Ethereum, we will see that here is still my game plan is still same, but we touch many times these levels, we touch many times this 2400 resistance, and many people are thinking that, oh, we touched it already 6 times, yeah, from here and here, and now we should to go down, we'll start open the short trades. But guys, it's not right, because this is the manipulation. Yeah, and my opinion that we will go higher to this zone, and from here we will start drop. And that's why I'm not open and short right now. I'm still waiting. But if the Ethereum will go to this price, where will be Bitcoin? I let you know. Bitcoin will be 82, 85k. And that's why we are waiting Bitcoin also in that zones. Also on the Bitcoin, if we will look with you on a weekly candle, we will see that here is a huge shadow on a weekly candle. That means that some of wild buyer is here and they're ready to buy, and they will push price higher. Also guys, the important thing, the domination of USDT is still continue going down. And for sure, it's now going in, I guess, somewhere in 7% on the chart. And if it will reach this level, yeah, this is one more proof that Bitcoin will be over 80k in that time. Yeah, and that will be a nice entry for the short, basically. So guys, in the one important chart, this is Bitcoin to gold chart, 1 month time frame, and I open this chart and we can see there that I'll show you this important zone, which is around 13.8. And I told you that when we were here, here, I told you this in January and February, that we are going to this zone. And from that zone, we can see the reaction, and exactly what we can see now, reaction from this zone. And that means that Bitcoin will be stronger than the gold for the some time. And now we can see exactly that, the gold in the correction and the Bitcoin is continue going higher. So this is what we like to know. This chart already many times gave us advices, and one more time, it's proof our analysis. Also, we can see now on the chart that we have imbalance here, we have imbalance here. This is the targets where it can go, and in that case, Bitcoin will show us a good movements and the really good bullish movements already in the soonest time. So guys, in one more time setup for risky guys who want to try to jump in a long now here on the Bitcoin. This is a zones of this imbalance, and this is zones of these volumes from where you can try to take a long now. Yeah, for example, if it will hold here, you can try to take a long there, and if it will go here, you can try to take a long like this. Yeah, but for sure you should understand that in that case, your stop losses should be under the minimum. So, and best way, this is to put this under the 69k. So guys, because only if we will go lower than 69k, we can say, okay, the trend is short now on the Bitcoin. Yeah, and already need to forget about the long bottom. But for now, I see that the Bitcoin is continue going higher, and from that zones, I recommended you to take a long from here, because it will give you more chance to win on the market. Also guys, the interesting news is Warren Buffett, he on his last speech told about the market, and he said that now everybody investing in the stock market, everybody investing in the basic assets, yeah, but they forget that now time to the high risk markets, and already in the soonest time maybe we will see the so strong movement on the market where nobody waiting it now, and it will be looks like maximum irritation, it's maximum not logical, but we will see this. Yeah, and this market will grow and everybody will be in FOMO, and I guess he telling that about the crypto. Yeah, that's why I am now paying attention to the crypto, and also focusing on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and showing you all this chart. Also in May, guys, interesting situation, because on the 15th of May, Trump and Xi Jinping should meet for some conversation about some things. Maybe there will be signed one more agreement. Maybe there will be some update about the situation with Middle East. And also we are waiting one more update from Trump. Yeah, as a kind guy who allow to some tankers go out from Hormuz because he told that many like countries call him and ask, please unlock our tankers in Hormuz and something like that. And he said, okay. In my opinion, it was one of the requests from Iran, yeah, about them diplomatic agreement. But the main thing that situation already almost finished. And as I told, guys, that situation will be finished in the second part of April, and we see this now. And many positive in May. Yeah, Clarity Act maybe will sign. Meeting of Xi Jinping and Trump. Maybe finish situation between Iran and US and Israel. And really all of this positive will now push market higher and higher. And here will be right, I guess, this phrase that sell in May and go away. Yeah, and maybe in this year that will be the most right thing for spot positions. And for sure about all the situation, all updates, I'll let you know in my Telegram channel. Yeah, but looks like that now. Yeah, looks like exactly this situation. Many positive in May, many nice movement in May, and then sell everything and go away. And also, guys, I cannot say about the fun situation. I'm still shocked about how now in the world, like political people and the government teams joking on Twitter, you know, because Trump posted he posted a picture where he is with the cards from Uno, and he told all cards in my hand. And there's many cards of Uno, like 7 of 8 pieces. But in Uno, you need to drop all the cards for win. And Iran government posted other picture with them representatives staying also with the Uno cards. But Trump was with normal Uno cards. That guy was like with the special cards in Uno. It's a black card. And he has only 3 cards or 4 cards, so it's already more better position than Trump. And black cards, he's staying like with the black cards, which is showing that it's much better position, because if you will drop the black card, your opponent should take more cards and lose. So Iran shows that no, Trump, you're okay, you're thinking about yourself, okay, but really who win in that situation? This we are. And this is really funny to look on all of this now, but that world where we live in now, and we should to know about that. So guys, this was the most important information now on the market, and more interesting content and more position and trades in my Telegram channel. Subscribe to stay in touch. I wish you an amazing week and see you soon.